Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to create automatically directory of your employees very quickly. In order to do that, I have created a list of my employees inside an Excel book, and at the right side of this table we have the employees directory, which we're going to create it textly, and from this text we're going to create file and we're going to run it automatically. In order to do that, we're coming to cell D6 and simply writing MD living space and writing the name and the surname of our employee, Eva Martinez, pressing enter. And in order to copy the other names, the 9 remaining names, simply we are pressing from our keyboard Ctrl and E, and voila, we have copied every name automatically. But in order to create this directory correctly, we have to put in every name and surname between an underscore mark like this. Okay, we have put it automatically. And now I'm gonna copy all this text, and we have to create a directory on our desktop. I have created here and I have named it employees. Opening this, and inside here we are creating a text file, and here we have to name it, for example, employees. Okay, and opening this notebook, and here we are pasting the text that we have copied inside the Excel form. Okay, and now we have to, and in order to run this file automatically, I have to save it as in this present directory. Saving as, I'm going to name it employees, but for extension, we're giving the extension BAT, B-A-T. Pressing enter, saving, closing this file. And in order to run this command, we are coming above this file and clicking twice. And voila, we have created automatically directories very fast. As you can see, every name here in the present has own directory. It's empty, obviously. So this video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.